How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. FTX is telling you not to withdraw your crypto, not even to go on the app right now because they just got hacked. They have almost $1 billion flowing out. I want to talk about that and some news on FTX US as well. We're going to keep this one short. I already filmed a video kind of talking about the worst case scenario in crypto right now. So I'll put that one on the end screen. As you can see, the overall crypto market in the last hour has actually moved up, which is kind of odd on this news because this just broke. We have Ethereum going up 0.4%, Bitcoin barely moving up, but then some smaller cryptos like Dogecoin up 8%, and of course that's still a large crypto, but they're starting to move a little bit, which is kind of odd based on what just happened. We just got news from FTX that they apparently have been hacked with about $600 million, about 900 million Australian dollars, coming out of FTX linked accounts following a week when founder SBF filed for bankruptcy. Users have been instructed not to install any new upgrades and to delete all FTX apps, according to a statement from the company's official Telegram channel. FTX has been hacked. FTX apps are malware. Delete them. Chat is open. Don't go on FTX site as it may download Trojans. This is crazy. After you thought it couldn't get any worse for FTX, they're still rubbing salt in the wounds. Now, a lot of people think this might be an inside job. Supposedly, they are dumping crypto onto the market. Of course, the market's up a little bit right now, which is kind of odd if they're actually doing that. But I would not be surprised if this was an inside job. It seems just a little bit too odd to happen with this kind of timing. You would think that everything would be kind of locked down with them heading for bankruptcy unless it's an inside job. We also got news, and I've been talking about FTX US, if you have money on there to do withdrawals, because they were supposedly still open. And they also said that they were going to keep it open, but then they're heading for bankruptcy as well. So I've been very clear to try to take off your money from FTX US, and now they appear to suspend withdrawals. Not that you'd want to go on there anyways with what just happened to FTX. So unfortunately, the situation gets worse. The market doesn't really seem to care too much. Of course, it is really late US time right now. So just be careful out there. It continues to get worse. Watch this video on the end screen so you can kind of know the worst case scenario right now and to not make any of these mistakes.